Come with me to go to the Apple Tower Theater in downtown Los Angeles. Guys, when I tell you, my mind was blown because this steady looks like a cathedral. It looks like a big, I don't know, maybe it used to be a cathedral, but it blew my mind. They had lots and lots of things for me to see. I was like a child in a candy store. I couldn't help myself.
See me find my iPhone. Play chill music, drink your white. It's so pretty.
I'm gonna try, but not like the other one.
I can still hear it.
This Apple headset cancels out all outside noise. Guys, when I tell you, I've fallen in love. Oh,
nothing else.
Right? It's crazy.
Different colors.
so here upstairs, you check in with the staff, and then you wait your turn to be able to test out the Apple Vision, the Vision Pro. When I tell you, this was next level madness. I felt everything that you could feel from using that Apple Vision Pro. If I had money, I would definitely purchase it.